Picture this, a point supporting a ton of weight. Seems impossible, right? Well, it is not. We see this scenario every single day. Like this bus. This bus with the people inside it will at some point only touch the road at a single point. Interesting, right? In this lesson, we will journey upon the explanation of a single point touching a line. That is the concept of a line tangent to a circle. We will have 3 major obstacles that when crossed, our master in this concept will be precise. First is determining the center. Second is solving for the slope. Third is transforming into the slope-intercept form. Let's start by defining what exactly is a tangent line.
A tangent line is a line that intersects a graph in only one point. The point where the line intersects the graph is called the point of tangency.
Take a look at this illustration. Can you identify the tangent line? Yes, line AB is in fact the tangent line. In this video, we will tackle about how to find an equation of a tangent line from the point of tangency and the equation of the circle.
Now, let's try to find the tangent line equation from the circle quantity x minus 2 squared plus y squared is equal to 25 at point -1 and 4.
The first step is to find the center of the circle. Well, in this case, the center is at 2, 0. Then, let us find the slope of the radius. To find the slope of the radius, we will use the formula slope is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. X sub 1 and y sub 1 will come from the center of the circle, while x sub 2 and y sub 2 will come from the point of tangency.
So the slope of the radius is equal to quantity 4 minus 0 over quantity -1 minus 2, which is equal to -4 over 3.
But if 2 lines are perpendicular, the slopes will be negative reciprocals. And as you can see, the radius line and our tangent line are, in fact, perpendicular.
Due to this, the slope of the tangent line is the negative reciprocal of the slope of the radius line. So the slope of the tangent line would be 3 over 4.
Now that we have found the slope of the tangent line, let us use the formula y minus y sub 1 is equal to the slope multiplied by x minus x sub 1 to find its equation, where x sub 1 and y sub 1 will come from the point of tangency, giving us -1 as our x sub 1 and 4 as our y sub 1. If we use our old good friend, substitution, we will arrive at y minus 4 is equal to 3/4 multiplied by x plus 1.
Now, let's transform this into the slope-intercept form. To achieve this, distribute 3 over 4 and transpose -4 to the other side. This will become y is equal to 3 over 4x plus 3 over 4 plus 4. Then let's add the constant, which results in y is equal to 3 over 4x plus 19 over 4.
We can now conclude that the equation y is equal to 3/4 x plus 19 over 4 is the equation of the tangent line from the circle x minus 2 squared plus y squared is equal to 25 intersecting at -1, 4.